Hi, boys and girls. Today we're talking about letters N, N, and R. Okay, remember we have uppercase, capital N, and lowercase n, uppercase R, and lowercase r. All right, we're going to practice N. When you're writing an N, down, back up, little curve. N. Down, back up, curve back over. N. N. Practice those N's very carefully. N. N. Okay, let's practice R. Lowercase r. Go down, up and around. It's just a half curve this time. Down, up, half curve. R. All right, let's blend some of these words together with these letters that we're practicing today and letters that we practiced earlier this week. If I have R, A, N, what word did I spell? N, ran. Very good. If I have P, A, N, P, A, N, pan. Notice these two words have the same ending. That makes them rhyme, and those are called word families. Let's try one more. At, rat.